drop anywhere in here. Okay, yeah, no, the girl said that they have it in the system as dirty, so just when her system is back up, I think, is that an opening I see over here? Might be an opening here, I don't know, it looks tight, but I see a gap there. Yeah, I don't know, it might be doable, but I'm iffy on it. Yeah, hard to tell with where the trailers, I mean, where I can see the tire tracks, but one of the trailers in both of those spots that I looked at, oh man, I have to just drop me here next to this bay and bay or something, or is that an opening over there? I see, yeah, I think I see an opening up ahead. Why is this guy taking so long? Is he new or something? I think this guy's a rookie or something. Shouldn't be taking him that long to get into a spot. Alright, this spot will work, but Trans Am's gonna make that a challenge. And I'm in, well, you know what? I like that one better. It's either that or that one looks easier to get into blindside, so which I'm not against doing, but I think there's enough room here. I might be able to just line up here with this spot, or what I think is, I mean, that's tight, but yeah, looking at the gap there with the you know, the evidence of use before, it looks like there might be room there. That's tight. We'll just set up for a U-turn setup. And come back and I'll probably go it. Or not probably, I definitely will. The trailer's rotating a little bit too fast. Trying to get lined up with as much as I can. I'm going to pull forward and then I'm going to go see where I'm at. I can tell where I'm at in relation to this guy here, but you know what, I can just pull a little bit more forward. I'll get it. I don't know. No. I can't tell there, so I think I like the idea of blindsiding it in that other spot better. So straightened out, it looked like it was going to be a problem. So yeah, there should be more opening. This Trans Am trailer sitting here, that's where the concern is, but you could also put it in there. How about I come over here? There's definitely more room there. Just that Trans Am trailer, so I'm gonna blindside it. Yeah. I think I'm starting to manipulate it a little bit too much. Gotta wait on my tandems to get around the corner there. My tandem's making around, yeah, we're good. I'm gonna go just double check where I'm at. Okay, I do have room, and it does look like if I increase the rotation, I'm even better. It's not a shitload of room, but it's okay. I'm gonna use some of this space because from what I can tell, I think the trailer's starting to square up with the other trailer. Over there on that blind side pretty well. Oh yeah, we got a winner. Gonna need to slide the tandems, I think. So I know 18 was over here, so we're gonna be pretty far down here. Oh, it's 28 right there. Okay, let me get turned around then. Might be easier for me to just come back like this, use this open area here, and then turn around. Right in between those two trucks. It's going to be a challenge here. I don't think this yard mule here is going to help me out either. Or him being parked there. Tandems are way out in 10 left too. I can pivot around. Need a little bit less rotation there. Okay, need more roll. So just kind of work this out. my tandems are a good spot. And just alright. Straight now, so my trailer doesn't start. So the front of my trailer doesn't get in position to hit this guy. I'm going through the motions over here. If it comes down to it, I can either blindside in or go past and come back and turn do a basic regular side setup. I'll be right in between the other JCT trailer and this car that's parked there. Looks like I might have just enough room. I need to go a couple of spots past because my tandems are all the way back. See if I can clear this. Yeah, I think I'll be alright. It'll be tight. Front row. That was a tight one there. Trailer started to actually track the opposite way. Okay. I see where that car is at now. That's where I want my trailer pointing right now. I'm not going to a left hard turn. Okay, so apparently the door's shut, and I'll open them from inside the dock. Okay, when I get through bumping the docks here, I'm gonna have to disconnect and go park across the street. I don't know that there's gonna be enough room for me to get into here. I think I'd be better off trying to get it in there from the other side. Alright, yeah, this would be a lot easier to do over here on this side. It's a tricky setup here though because of the way my trailer's angled and all that. But we'll see what we can do with it. I definitely have to go on this one. Double check where I'm at. Okay, there's not a ton of room up there, but there is more than I think that I was expecting, so I can chase it a little bit. Yeah, actually I got too much rotate there. But I gotta watch the tail swing, so. Let's get my tandems around this Walmart trailer first. Tell by the angle I'm probably fine over here on this side. Oh yeah. I'll go a little bit, give me some angle back so I can have room for my landing here and get out of the yard jockey's way here. Be tight. Let me let this Walmart guy go by first. And I'm going to pull forward, drop my landing gear, and then I'll push it back in again. I'll drop my landing gear so about an inch or so off the ground. Just want to at least make sure people have room to go by when I'm doing this. Okay, now we're back up and drop the trailer. Yard is where normally I'll find the empties. All right, so I usually always do a U-turn setup here. There's just enough room for me to do it. If you're in a Freightliner, it's even easier. It's just enough room for me to do one myself. With remember, I'm in a 579. I don't have as good a turn radius as Cascadia driver does. Well, we'll see. See if we got any spots up here we can drop in and do a quick little U-turn style setup. Like I mentioned, these U-turn setups are the easiest that you can do. Just most people don't know how to, and I think that's a crying shame because they really are that easy. Now sometimes OTR drivers are like, yeah, that's some fancy ass shit you're doing there, like all crazy whatever. Like, it's really not much to it. Just maybe try watching the yard jockey sometime and you might learn something. That's how I did it. This is a spot right here, I think. Yeah, that. So get turned around. I watch my tail there. Make sure my tandems keep rolling forward and not backward. Alright. So as soon as that Walmart trailer on the other side of the Crete trailer starts to show up is when I start my turn. Mostly a pretty hard left turn, but not all the way left. I'll be a little bit tight on this. Yeah, I was a little bit slow to chase it. Should have been turning harder left than I was. So, which sometimes happens. This is probably one of the easiest ones to, type of backings to do without any kind of pull-up, though, in my opinion. Okay. Kind of gave me the idea that I actually needed to come this way. Alright, let's see which way this guy's going. Hopefully he's trying to set up for one of the other doors further down. It'd be funny if, oh, come on. And there's this other truck coming up behind me, so I don't know what he's trying to do, and what is going, now what? This is my door right here, so as soon as this guy moves and I have an idea what exactly he's going to do, I can set up for it. Alright, towns are still out, so I'm going to have to go a little bit further out. It's going to go 2 spots past anyway, but towns were a little bit out, so I went a little extra. A bit far off there. Let's pull forward. Those tandems over a little bit more. Got to square up. Now we'll turn the other way. These lines are not very well painted on this side, it looks like. Put them right on there, right where I need to be, right there. I'm actually hitting. Okay. Wasn't sure which direction he was going to go. Alright, this is 537, so 531 is going to be real close to where these guys are all at. It's going to be in between a couple of these. Yeah, there's not enough room here for a full straight back, so actually 531 is the one this Smith guy just pulled out of, so or no, he might have been 530, so I did a U-turn style. Okay, as soon as the front of that Freightliner shows up, back it, max right, turn, max turn. I think that was still a little bit late. I should have showed a little bit more of that Freightliner. I might have started my turn a little bit, my setup turn a little bit too soon or something. It's one of the only complications you'll really ever have with this kind of setup. More to the left. I'm not really seeing anything on that side, so just to be sure. It doesn't have to necessarily be perfect, but I want to make sure that the dock plate will be able to go across all the way across, so that's the main concern I have. If I'm off center, there's at least there's an increased chance that the dock plate won't make it across, because the one side or other, the other of the trailer will interfere. I don't think this guy knows that he has more room there between the two than he really thinks. Driver going into 149, you got more room than you think you do, I think. Chase it in. Yeah, it's always nerve-wracking when you're new here, because it's kind of a tighter lane, and you're naturally worried about tail swing hitting the guy on your blind side, and it's easy to be extra cautious here and think that you're at risk of hitting the guy on your blind side because of it, when in reality there's more room than you think. He's going extra cautious, but really he probably should be going. If he's going to go that slow, go hard right forward, hard right forward, hard right forward. Come on. Okay, so he did a hard left forward, and all he's going to end up doing is making it rotate even harder. Nah, he shouldn't have even had to do that. That high-tech cargo guy ended up I don't know why he completely reset like that. I mean, this guy out there is, I guess, training him, but Doesn't seem to really know what he's doing. I don't really want to go by and then find out he's, let me see. I go by. They're going to sit there and talk. I'm not waiting. Yeah, look like there might be an open over here. Might have to get turned around. There's plenty of room over here in Rural Echo, but I think I might see an open over here on the left, up a little bit further. Ah, shit, I forgot I don't have any load boxes because I lost them all. Yeah, or wait, yeah, because I lost them to repowers, and then that guy needed help with. Yeah, a little bit heavy, aren't I? No, looks like good. Get the drive tires in position and good.